Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to the family, please hit subscribe button and thank you for doing that. Today I'm coming to you with an unboxing and try on video. I got a new item from Christian Louboutin and I'm opening it with you guys for the first time on camera. Shall we do it? Alright, so that is the back. Ta-da! So the first thing you see is the proof of payment, and it has this lovely symbol that represents Christian Louboutin, and of course you have your invoice with the proof of payment. Very, very cute. Little one, but comes with a big price though. And this is the box. The box is very simple and eco-friendly. So the first thing you see is this little cute bag with extra parts for your heels to bring a new life whenever they may need it. Also you see this flannel dust bag. Usually they suggest to keep your shoes inside of this bag, and also you can clean all your shoes with that. So it's also like a cloth. You can polish. This is the boot that I got from Christian Louboutin. The name is Bianka booty. It is made of black suede calfskin leather for the upper part and calfskin for the lining and insole. And of course they are finished with famous red sole. So the heel style is stiletto and the toe style is closed toe. So the boot shaft is 5 inches and it has a zip, it has a side zip closure. I'm trying Bianka booties with leggings. Now when I'm trying the form, I think that I might need a half size up. I don't know yet. Maybe they will stretch out. Maybe I need time. Maybe they need time to What do you think about my Bianka booty? Do you like it? Has anybody out there owned this pair of boots? Let me know. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!